Hi, it's James from Intelligent Hand Dryers. We've made it our mission to bring hand dryers and washroom accessories to life so that customers can make informed decisions. No sales patter, just clear advice as to which product meets your needs. On our website you'll see testimonials, reviews and case studies of satisfied customers. The Dryflow Stealthforce Plus is for when you want a quiet, bladed hand dryer which is fast drying, energy efficient and has some great hygienic properties such as a self-cleaning HEPA filter. These are popular in high traffic locations such as airports, but also offices, bars and restaurants. The Dryflow Stealthforce Plus is a beautifully crafted unit and looks fantastic anywhere.
Of impact-resistant ABS plastic, this is available in white or silver finishes. A dual-bladed airflow provides rapid drying with water being sent directly into a water collection system. A long life is preserved by a digital brushless motor. It remains around 50% quieter than most other blade hand dryers, with 2 settings to suit any environment. It is quiet mark approved, making it one of the quietest hand dryers in its class. HEPA filtration means the air intake is filtered of 99.99% of bacteria. The filter is sterilised from microbes, bacteria and moulds by internal UVC technology. An intelligent heating system, which can be switched off altogether, keeps running costs low as it will run at 750 watts most of the time. When activated, heat will only be added to the airflow if the temperature of the room drops below 24 degrees C, a fantastic energy saving system in the summer months. A self-diagnostic function gives information if something goes wrong or if servicing is required. An LED counter helps guide how fast to draw the hands through the air, and a futuristic blue dry zone shows the exact position the hands are being targeted, maximising drying efficiency.
If you like this product, make sure you check out our full-length product performance videos and dry time testing available on our website and social media channels.